So in today's fucking video, I'll be teaching you guys how to clean a newly fresh inked tattoo. It's really simple. You only need two things. Fragrance-free fucking lotion. I use Lubri fucking Dome. This is real good shit, homegirl. Trust and believe. Dial motherfucking soap. Make sure it's antibacterial. You gotta get all that fucking shit out. So personally, I like to use the Recovery Tattoo Salve and the Green Goo Tattoo Care for the first 3 days. These are also moisturizers as well, and if you guys don't have access to this, you can just use fucking lotion. But I like to use this personally and then switch off to lotion because it's fucking bomb. This is the new piece I'll be cleaning. It's a week old. Get her done. The first step is to clean your fucking hands, because you don't want to be cleaning your fucking tattoo with no wretched ass, dusty ass, crusty ass, motherfucking dirty ass fucking hands. Oh. So first of all, clean your fucking hands, and if you don't, you was ratchet. Step is wetting your tattoo. I like to use like a medium water, so just make sure it's wet. As you can see, it's already wet. Step is putting the soap into the tattoo. You want to lather the tattoo with the soap. Like that, 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 like that. And then you want to rinse it off. 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 Once it's rinsed off, I like to use the paper towel, and I like to dab the tattoo like that. You don't want to, and then you want to moisturize your tattoo with the lotion. Yeah. And that is how to clean a fucking tattoo. I hope you guys like my motherfucking tutorial. It was really fucking simple. And if you guys are struggling, then y'all need fucking Jesus. Thank you guys for watching my fucking video. Go like, subscribe, follow my motherfucking Instagram. Thank you guys for fucking watching. Oh.